Hello everyone, class 4 talk English, listening and speaking. Today we will learn here unit 1 describing an event. In this chapter, in this unit, there is a words and meanings and sentences related to all the difficult words. First word is abundant, that means plentiful. I have abundant crops in my field. That is means a plentiful crops are available in his field. Drought, shortage of water. Sentence is drought has destroyed all my crops. Affect, affect meaning is influence. Sometimes climate affect crops. Sow, planting seeds under the ground. I will sow many seeds today. Cultivate, meaning is grow. We cultivate all sorts of crops in our fields. Fertile, productive. We use natural manure, cow dung to make our soil fertile. Barren, unfit for growing plants. We can't grow anything on barren land. Harvest, collect crops. I will harvest crops in the rainy season. Ripen, fully grown. The fruits have ripened. Reap, gather. Help me to reap the hay. Plug, plug meaning is to dig a field. Farmers plug their fields for sowing crops. So these are keywords and their meanings and using these words in a sentences. So we must use difficult words in sentences to increase our vocabulary. Next thing is, let's converse. How pleasant was your journey to Mumbai? It is a kind of a conversation between a man to a child. It was the most pleasant journey I could ever think of, though it was for the first time as I had never travelled by aeroplane before. So he is telling about the first travel in the aeroplane for Mumbai. So I was very excited. I reached the airport on time. The staff attended and guided me courteously. I relished the refreshments too. It was really joyful and memorable. That refreshments he got in the plane, he told about that the refreshment that he got in the plane. So this is a small conversation that the child make to the man. Now, how did you get hurt? There is another conversation between a child. I wanted to convey to you that I wouldn't be coming to the school tomorrow. He is making a leave application, taking a leave for the school. How he taking it? Yesterday I slipped on the wet floor of my washroom and hurt my leg and elbow. So please let our class teacher know. So this conversation telling about that how did he get hurt and telling about the leave of tomorrow that he will got from his class teacher. Now what did you do yesterday? And this is a conversation telling about the what you did yesterday. I had a very good time yesterday. I went for shopping with my family. Then we had lunch in my favorite restaurant. And you know what I ordered? My favorite Italian pizza. It was really very delicious. So this is telling about his activity done by him yesterday. Now here, conversation. What do you like about your best friend? So he's the boy telling about the qualities of his best friend. How he mentioned it. I have many friends, but I enjoy the company of Rahul the most. He is my best friend. He is helping, loving, caring and well-mannered. We often spend time together even after the school. So these kinds of conversation tells you about that how we can explain the moment with and we can also share the moment with other. So there is a time to talk. In the unit 1, you see this is a conversation between Puneet and uncle, and Puneet is excited to meet his uncle after a long time. Puneet's uncle has brought a gift for him. So let's see. Puneet, good morning, uncle. Uncle, good morning, Puneet. Puneet, how are you, uncle? Uncle, I am well. How about you? Puneet, I am also good. When did you reach yesterday, uncle? Puneet, uncle, not yesterday. I reached today, early in the morning. Puneet, today. But you were coming yesterday, weren't you? Uncle, yes, but my flight got delayed. Puneet, hope you didn't face much difficulty because of the delay. Uncle, not at all. Puneet, how is auntie? Uncle, she is also fine. She has sent a gift for you. Puneet, for me? What? Uncle, have patience. Puneet, show me, uncle. Uncle, this is for you from both of us. Puneet, wow, watch, it's beautiful. Thank you so much, uncle. I'm so happy to have it. Uncle, you are always welcome, Puneet. Puneet, I will always keep it with me and use